Mornings, Rich from the Motorcycle Garage, just giving an update on the progress to the bits and bobs that I'm doing to bring my Biposto Ducati 999S to a Biposto, and it's not just switching the normal pillion pad, and I suppose it makes it more fun. I got hold of these parts, damaged parts that needed completely redoing to get the best price on them. Really got them very cheap compared to anything new, but so what we got here firstly is subframe. Even the subframe is different, so that I'm working on at the moment. I'm going to bring that up, and the key, luckily the key works, which is good, because only the Ducati key for my 99S only goes in halfway and it works anyway, so good enough to operate the seat. Obviously to detach the seat when you want to detach the seat, which goes there, and also you can see the catch that pops down into there, so that's that, and that hooks under, that just hooks under there like that, hooks under there like that. So that's the basis of it, which is fine. But these were in a horrendous state, so I've basically brought them right up to all rubbed down, all resprayed, and gloss coated, as it were, and also I did the heat protection, which is in the right state underneath, because the exhaust creates a massive amount of heat under the seat. That's a big thing about the Ducati 999, as everyone probably knows, but anyway, so I've improved that. Not necessarily improved it, but I've made sure there's brand new heat protection. There's sort of padding under there, and then you've got the silver paper on top, but it also stops the damaging of the actual plastics, because over time the heat damages the plastic. So putting it all together, obviously you've got that, and that basically slots into here, as you can see, into there. I had to completely redo a new tab, this one here, create a new tab there, created that completely, as you can see, and all the other tabs, they're all good. So because they've often broken on these that either get crashed and then taken apart for bits or whatever. So whoop, Betty. Yeah, so you can see how it all fits. Obviously it's pretty simple. It all goes into place like that, and then obviously you've got this is the back of the front seat, as if you like, or the front of the back seat. Yeah, the back of the front seat, which goes here. The existing front seat goes here into here, and your seat, the pillion seat, as it were, goes on there. So that's your finished product. Excuse the dog. Yeah, so I'm going to strip this down, the actual subframe down, get it up to high standard, respray with correct grey spray, and there we go. So that's it so far. So ready for the summer, and getting pillions, as it were, on the bike if necessary, or if people want. So and also it's just fun doing it, because you're bringing it up to standard and having a choice, having both things. But thanks for your time. I'll keep you posted.